kumbaga balikan natin, during the time of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., or rather, President Ferdinand R. Marcos, President Marcos Sr.,
Senior, okay.
it paved way to the Triple Agreement,
Okay,
which is the
that's
peace
one.
agreement.
Okay.
And then next was Cory.
Cory,
Na.
okay.
That established or nailimbag sa batas.
Yeah.
Ika nga.
I believe panahon
No.
ni Cory nung lumabas yung 6734 for
Yes.
the creation of the
Nailimbag
Autonomous
na sa
Region
batas.
of Muslim Mindanao.
And then came in Ramos naman, Fidel V. Ramos, and with this vision of Philippine 2000, if I'm not mistaken, na nagtuloy-tuloy into ARMM
Yeah.
during those times, no? And then, nung succeeding Fidel V. Ramos, sino nga ba yung next na president nun?
Si Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo
Was it
yun
si
na.
GMA
Oo.
na? Or was it ERAP muna?
Yeah, nag-erap muna
Oh.
tayo for a quite short period of time. No?
Oh,
Si
short,
ERAP.
very
Ay,
short period
hindi.
of time.
Ang nangyari kay from Fidel Ramos,
Oh.
pumasok si ERAP. Okay.
Yes.
In fact, nag-continue yung negotiation until nagkaroon ng
All-out war.
all-out war.
During the time of
okay.
ERAP, na kumbaga, nagulo.
Mm.
Nagulo yung negotiation.
Yan.
Because ERAP doesn't want to give that right to self-determination idea and that having the autonomy to the Muslims in Mindanao. And the result was the all-out war in 2004, if I'm not mistaken.